It's raining again in the late bloomer garden today, and we've had so many days of rain since my rain video, which I hope you'll check out, that I thought it would be a perfect day to come inside and thin my seedlings. If you're like me, you plant a lot of seeds in your cells to make sure they germinate. But when they do, and you have so many, I very often forget about it because I've got so many other things to do in the garden. And I think, I'll get to that, I'll get to that, I'll get to that. And before you know it, if you leave too many plants in a cell, then they start to diminish their energy. They can't compete in that one little cell, all those roots. So today we are going to thin out the rest of my seedlings for this summer. I've got Sweet Annie, I've got alyssum, I've got tomatoes and shiso. It's the first time I'm growing shiso. And more tomatoes and peppers and basil in this tray. So let's get started. So with this Sweet Annie, when it first emerges, you see all these little green leaves and you think you've germinated 50 plants per cell. And so I'm going to take out this one, and you can see this is one plant. What you want to do is just pick the strongest looking plant. So I am going to reduce everything in here to one plant per cell. Here we go. All right. You don't need to pull the seedlings out, just clip them. Now over here we have, we do have quite a few over here. And they're not quite as advanced as this, so it's harder to tell. I'm almost going to mow this. Clip it like a hedge till I can get to the middle and see what's what. Okay, I'm going to keep clipping on this. I really did have like 30 germinate in this one cell. I think I'm going to go with this one. It's hard to choose because they all look about the same. Just have to make a decision. The one thing I forgot about is they have been depending on each other for support, and now they're kind of leggy, and I'm hoping that once the light is back in place here, hopefully they'll reach up to the light. Okay, this is all I'm going to do right now with the Sweet Annie. There go my parrots. They're flying in the rain. I have this one cosmos here. I planted a bunch of seeds and I've got one. This is rose alyssum, and alyssum is so tough that I'm not going to go through here and take out every little thing and wind up with one piece. I can just divide that into, pull it apart and divide it and plant it in different pots, and it'll be fine. Sweet Annie turns into a really tall 5-6 foot plant. What we have here is black Truffle, something like that. It's a tomato. It obviously has a different shaped leaf. This is the first time I'm growing it. I'm just going to take out what I think is the smaller trunk. Definitely this little one. I think I'm going to take the curved one out. Just like the looks of that straighter trunk better. And between these two, it's a toss-up. I think I'll go with that one. This looks like it touched the light. No big deal. Cut some of these smaller ones. Now I've got 3, and this looks like the smaller one. So I've got 2 bigger ones there. Now as for the shiso, these plants get big, so I saw huge ones when I was in Mobile at the community garden there. Okay, I've got 3 plants. 4. No, wait, I'm taking that out. I've got 3 plants. Okay, I am moving on to basil. I've cleaned my clippers with alcohol again. I don't have quite so much of a challenge with the basil as I had with the Sweet Annie. Wow, that was intense and time consuming. I think I'll be a little bit more cautious with the seeds next time. These all look healthy. It's just a question of taking 1 or 2 of them out. Okay. Let's see. I think we've about got the basil. Okay. Looks pretty good. There's about 3 in each cell. Okay. Now what do we have? We have this 1 tomato, which I don't know what it is. It wound up planted in with the peppers. So it's way taller, and on Thursday I'm going to have Eric pot this up. Let's turn these peppers around. Some of these peppers look amazing, and the one that looks amazing is called Mira. I don't even remember that one. You like to keep the light low in the grow room on the peppers, and that will keep the plants more compact. I've been told that numerous times by pepper growers that are smarter than me. These Mira are doing so well. I hate to take any of those out. Wow. Okay, that's good enough on that. And then we'll do this last tray of tomatoes. They are falling over, so they really need to get out of these little cells. So hopefully on Thursday I can take care of that. Since each one of these cells is a different variety, I'm going to try to keep 2 of each one, just for insurance. All right, that's 2 of each, 2 or 3 of each one. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Oof, boy, that one's really hanging over. 2, well, there's 3 there. Let's take that one. Okay. All right, that's 2 of each one, and boy, are they drooping over. Even though the soil is wet, I think I'm going to give them a little fish fertilizer and a watering. Thanks so much for watching this channel, and I really, really depend upon your support, and your love and support has been so amazing while I recuperate from this shoulder injury. And one day maybe I'll have some strength in my right arm. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and share this video and my channel with your friends. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, come on, peeps. Come on, tomatoes. You know I love you.